Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. This is AG Update. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you guys how to participate in the Octra Testnet campaign to maximize your chance of getting some potential reward. So everything you need to know about Octra I'm going to tell you in this video, and I'm also going to show you a simple guide on how to participate in their testnet campaign. So you don't need any coding experience. I'm going to show you what you need to know for you to maximize your chance of getting some potential reward. So please make sure to watch this video to the end, and don't forget to give this video a like. So first of all, I'm going to tell you what Octra is all about. Octra is an AI blockchain network with support for isolated execution environments. The majority of the code base is developed in languages such as Ocamp, Rust, and C++. Most code will be open and available for you to use. So I'm reading this from their document. So in summary, it is a FHE blockchain where developers build private and powerful apps. So this is what this project is all about, and recently they raised $5 million from several investors. 5 million is very huge. So based on a lot of people don't know how to navigate around this project is on the farm, so you can participate in this project and you'll be among the top people participating in it. So this video is going to help you on how you can navigate around this project and how you can support them in testing their product. All right, for you to get started, this is what you need to do. So I'll be using a guide from Zone and from OXMOI. So shout out to them for making this easy for us. So first of all, I'm going to use the guide from Zone to show you guys how to create a wallet on Obstra. Then I'm going to show you how you can make transactions with the guide from OXMOI. So I'm going to drop all the necessary link at the description of this video. So for you to get started, this is what you need to do. So first of all, you click on the guide from Zoe on how to install your wallet. So make sure to visit the guide and make sure to right click this, or you can just press it, open a new tab for this. You can use your mobile phone to participate in this also. Make sure to open a new tab. Then after that, what you just need to do to click on use this template. Alright, so it's going to show you something like this. So you're going to see your GitHub name. So now what you don't need to do is to visit the Zeus guide again. Now what you just need to do is to copy this command. So you can see this command here, make sure to copy it. After you copy it, make sure to visit your code space. Alright, so visit here. Now what you need to do is to right click, or you can control V. So just allow. So I've pasted the command. After that, what you need to do is to just click on enter. Alright, so after clicking on enter, it's going to open a new site for you to paste another code. Now you visit the Zeus tags again and you copy this. So make sure to copy this. Now use the below command to generate your Octra wallet. So now make sure to visit here again. Yeah, make sure to visit here again and right click, or you control V. Now you click on enter. So make sure to wait for it to process. So let's expand this. Alright, so press enter to continue. So what you need to do is to wait for it to process, as you can see on the screen. Alright guys, so looking on the screen, you can see done. You can see wallet saved to Octra wallet, blah blah blah. So you can see your mnemonics key. You can see, make sure to save this. So this is your seed phrase. So this is your seed phrase. So I'm not going to use this account. You are going to see your private key here also. You can see your private key, your public key, and the rest. So what you don't need to do is to copy this and take it somewhere and make sure to save it. Very important, guys. Or you can click here. You're going to see Octra Wallet CLI. You can click here. Then you click on here. You can see Octra Wallet, blah blah blah. Then you're going to see all your details. You're going to see Octra Wallet security warnings. Keep this file secure and never share your private key. You can see generated time, your address format, your mnemonics, that is for your seed phrase. You're going to see it here. Make sure to copy this. Your private key, you're going to see it here. Your address, so this is your receiving address, as you can see on the screen. So now, guys, what we need to do now is to get some faucets for our Opstra. So for you to get faucet, what you just need to do now is to visit this site. Open a new tab for it. So we need to get some Opstra faucets. Now what you don't need to do now is to visit your Opstra wallet and copy your address. So you can see address here. Make sure to copy this address. After that, what you need to do now is to visit the Octra Testnet faucet and paste it here. Right now, you select I am not a robot. After clicking on claim test token, you are going to receive some amount of Octra Testnet, as you can see on the screen. So I got 111 Octra tokens. So for you to confirm this, make sure to click on this Explorer here. You click on the Explorer, going to take you to where you are going to see if you got the token or not. So status awaiting, amount sent 11, that is 111 Octra was sent to my Octra account, that is to this Octra account. After that, what you need to do now is to visit on your code space. So visit the wallet section. Now I'm going to show you guys how you can perform some transfer. So for you to perform some transfer, I'm going to show you guys. So we need to visit OXMOI guide now. So like I said, I'm going to drop all the necessary guide at the description of this video that is going to help you. So what you need to do is to visit OXMOI guide and you bring it down. Now what you need to look for is transfer. So you can see transfer, send transaction. So first of all, you copy this first guide here, which is send transaction 1, tax 1. You copy install Python and you visit your code space again. Alright, so I'm going to increase this. So you visit your code space. Now what you need to do is to right click or you paste it, then you click on enter. So you're going to see something like this, going to be processing 100%. So done. Now you visit the OXMOI guide again and you install CLI. Now you copy this. After that, you visit your code space again, then you paste it. After that, you click on enter. So wait for it to process. Now what you don't need to do is to visit the OXMOI guide again and you add wallet to CLI. You can see on the screen, copy this, visit your code space again and you right click or you paste or you control V. Now you click on enter. Make sure to listen to this carefully. So you are going to see something like this. What you just need to do is to use your arrow key. Alright, so make sure to use your arrow key to control this, as you can see on the screen. So you can see this blue sign here. Use your arrow key to control it. Alright, so use your arrow key and control this blue sign here. As you can see on the screen, use it. Now bring it here. So make sure the arrow key is on this sign here. Now what you don't need to do is to click on backspace, or delete, or any one that you can use, but make sure to use backspace if you are using a PC. Backspace, 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 backspace. So leave it like this. Now what you don't need to do now is to copy your private key. So this is your private key here. As you can see on the screen, copy your private key. Alright, so copy this. Make sure there is no space in between. Make sure to copy your private key. Copy. Alright, make sure it is here. Now what you don't need to do is to paste it with Ctrl V. Alright, so looking on the screen, done successfully. Now you use your arrow key and bring this down to this sign, then you click on backspace, 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 backspace. Alright, so remove this. Now what you need to do is to copy your address. So you can see your address here. Copy your address. Alright, copy your address, then you copy. Now what you need to do is to make sure to Ctrl V, that is space, paste your address. So after pasting your private key and your address, what you just need to do now is to click on Ctrl X and Y. Alright, after clicking on Ctrl X and Y, make sure to click on enter. Then you're going to see something like this. So now what you just need to do is to visit the guide from OSMOI again, and you copy the step 3. You can see start CLI, and you copy this, take it back here, and you paste it here. After you paste it, you click on enter. Alright guys, so you're going to see something like this, as you can see on the screen. So you're going to see something like this. So let's visit the guide from OSMOI again. So you can see send transaction. You can send transactions to my address, as you can see. So this address is for OXMOI. So I'm going to drop my own address at the description of this video also, and in the comment section. For those of you that want to copy, make sure to transact with me. And if you want me to interact with you, please make sure to drop your address at the comment section. If you are watching this video from X, make sure to drop it at the comment section. If you are watching this video from YouTube, please make sure to check the description of this video for my Telegram handle, or you can join my Telegram group. Make sure to paste your address to me. I'm going to interact with you, so please make sure to interact with me. I'm also going to interact with you. Even if you don't have the chance to interact with me, just make sure to drop your address so that I can interact with you. So we need to create enough transaction on this. So I'm going to copy OXMOI address. So I'm going to copy his address and make some transaction with him to show you guys how you can do it. So now what you just need to do, you're going to see something like this. Commands. You're going to see 1 2 3 4 5, then 0 for exit, 1 for send transaction, 2 for refresh balance, 3 for multi-send, 4 for export keys, 5 for clear hits, then 0 for exit. So you're going to see your address here. You're going to see your current balance. So you can see my balance here. Your public key, you're going to see it here, staging, and the rest. So for you to interact with someone's address, like sending of the OCT token to someone, what you just need to do is to click on 1 for you to transact. So you can see on the screen 1, then click on enter. So if you click on enter, you're going to see send transaction to address or blah blah blah. So what you just need to do now is to paste the address you want to send some OCT token to. So since I'm going to send to OXMOI, I'm going to paste OXMOI address here. Now what you just need to do is to click on enter. So after you click on enter, you put down the amount that you want to send. So since I have 111, I'm going to click on 1 for testing sake. So now you click on enter. So you're going to see something like this: message optional, or enter to skip. So amount 1, message optional, max, blah blah blah, enter to skip. Then you just click on enter. So you're going to see something like this: send this amount to this address. Do you confirm the transaction, yes or no? Y for yes, N for no. Small letter. You are going to see the fee they are going to charge you from the OCT token, like the OCT test token. You click on Y, then you click on enter. Alright guys, so you're going to see transaction accepted. you're going to see the hash. So this is the hash, time, blah blah blah. Press enter to continue. So just click on enter. Then they are going to take you to the wallet home page. So for now, they have not deducted anything because the transaction is still pending, as you can see on the screen, staging pending. So within 2 minutes or so, they are going to deduct the amount of OCT you sent to your friend or to someone. Then they are going to remove it. So you're going to see out one to this address, blah blah blah. So since you are waiting, make sure to visit the explorer. So you can visit OSCam and get some address. So you can see home, click on home. Also, you can make sure to find some address to interact with, or you can check the comment section. Please make sure to drop your address at the comment section and make sure to interact with others as well. So you click on home, you're going to take you to testnet. Then you're going to get some address here for you to interact with, as you can see on the screen. So you can interact with any of these address. So just make sure to perform some transaction. Don't be stingy with it. Make sure to perform some transaction so that at the end of this campaign they might reward you. Well, if there's going to be any additional tax, I'm going to inform you guys. So you visit here. Now for you to refresh your balance, you just click on 2, that is 2 for refresh balance. You just enter 2, then you click on enter. So if you enter 2, click on enter, it's going to refresh. You can see balance, blah blah blah, to refresh balance. For you to perform multi-send, click on 3. For you to exit, click on 0. For you to send, for you to send, just click on 1. Then you can send, follow same procedure, put down the address, Ctrl V or paste, enter, put down the amount 1, then enter. If you skip this with enter, then this for Y, then you click on enter, then you wait for it to process and click on enter. So this is how you can check this, or you can visit your campaign on the explorer. So this is for my balance. You see my current balance. Alright guys, so this is how you can participate in the Octra Testnet campaign to stay positioned for some potential reward. So this is a project that raised $5 million from various investors. So guys, I would love to hear from you on what you think about this at the comment section. For more updates, make sure to join my Telegram group, follow me on YouTube, follow me on Twitter, and also on TikTok, because I'll be updating you guys on something like this once a while. So guys, what do you think of this? I would love to hear from you on what you think about this at the comment section. And if this video was helpful, please give it a like. This is AG Update, your friend in crypto. Thank you guys, and many more grains to your wallet.